Hello everyone, Jan here today from Needle, and in today's video I'm going to showcase you our newest integration of SharePoint into Needle and how you can actually connect your SharePoint data to the agentic AI chat of Needle so that you make your data which lives within SharePoint searchable and discover information within seconds. So I'm here within a Needle collection and I call this collection SharePoint, and I can show you also here this SharePoint that I set up specifically to for the Needle as a company and the specific data which we are holding inside here. So here you see I'm right now within the SharePoint.com overview, and there are different kind of sites that you can have within SharePoint. And sites again can hold information. And for example, I created here like a Needle XAI site, and this site here I can click on it, and then you can see also here specifically for this site what specific files I have inside here, and I can go over to documents, and I have added here a few documents to it. I have actually created 3 folders: Needle Marketing, Needle Product, and Needle Test. And inside Needle Product I have here 2 files inside. So if I go back here to my Needle collection overview, I can go to connectors. I create a new connector. Currently I have none set up. I go over here, I click on connect for SharePoint, and what happens is it's going to log me in through my Microsoft account. Then we have to decide which SharePoint site we actually want to look data into. As I said, there are different sites. So we want to look at the Needle XAI one, and we want to browse the files from this site. So as you see here, now we are within this specific overview of where we are seeing the files as well as folders, as I have shown before, marketing, product, and test. So I can track a specific folder. I can also specifically track files, but in this case, I want to just track the folder. So I click here on Needle Product, I select it, and you see now this is selected. So tracked folders, Needle Product is here selected. No individual files are selected, but all the files that live within this folder are going to be tracked. So next I can give it a name. So I decide for a new SharePoint connector. I create a connector. Now you see this connector is created, 0 files currently, so we have to wait for the backend to actually start handling these files. And now I just reload the page, and you see this has actually happened just now. It's actually just run 1433, 30th of May, and the next one is tomorrow at 2. So I see this folder is tracked as well as 2 files. So if you go over here, I see 2 files are tracked. I can also click on this and see what this file looks like. So you can say Needle Security Overview as a specific PDF that we have to showcase our security features, and another file which is Discovery Overview. So 2 PDFs showcasing Needle. So you see, for example, I'm now here in the chat, and this is also generating some questions for me already. How does Needle manage RAG tooling different itself from other RAG platforms available in the market? And you see that it's kind of giving us an answer based on the data that we have provided. And if I go over here, you can see that, for example, the first answer is enterprise grade security. I can also follow the link, and I would get redirected to the specific PDF that actually holds this information, where this information comes from. So in this case, it states just, for example, here page 4. And so this information comes from page 4. So I could go over here to page 4, and I see that Needle states specifically how it is differing to other RAG solutions, fully end-to-end managed solution, and enterprise grade security. So I could ask many more questions on this, but I think this is enough to demo the use case of Needle. As you see, this integration of SharePoint into Needle, allowing the agentic AI chat of Needle to have access to the SharePoint data, is allowing you to find information and summarize information across your different folders, files, which you have within your SharePoint within a matter of seconds. So this is actually a really powerful feature for you if you want to save yourself a lot of time searching through your SharePoint folders, files, searching for this specific piece of information that you know that lives somewhere, but you don't know where it lives, and just finding it right away, finding the needle in the haystack. And if you have any questions, you can always shoot us a direct message or ask us any question over our email. So you can use Needle's Pro version as well as this SharePoint connector 7 days for free. Try it out and see that the high quality search of Needle is actually really saving you time when it comes to you dealing with different PDFs, PowerPoints, as well as Excel files across your SharePoint. Thank you very much for watching, and we are excited to see what you are building with Needle, and see you soon.